Okay, we're here at Lavon Dam once again. The Lavon Dam report. Aquí estamos en el laguna de la compuerta de Lavon. Nomás ahora tiene una abierta. Hay varios. Ese señor ya tenía unos cuantos. That man, he got a couple on a stringer. See if we see any more stringers. It's cold. There's a kayaker out there. But there's only one door open. Nomás hay una abierta. So today's Tuesday, the 18th. I think today's 18th. So it seems like it's a little slow. They only have one gate open, so that's the report for today. Thanks for watching. I just want to tell everybody thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe on my channel, 413 Fishing. I appreciate it. Thank you. Gracias a todos los que están viendo. No se olvide darles like y subscribe al canal 413 Fishing. Muchas gracias a todos. Bye.